Alright guys, what's going on? This is Pokeball Freak here, and today we are doing another Pokemon Sun and Moon video. This is for the Alola Form rankings, on a scale of 1 to 10, of how I personally like the new Alola Form Pokemon. I hope you guys like this channel and this video, and subscribe to the channel. And if you're looking for Yu-Gi-Oh content, there's the Dueling Professor, which is the second channel. Alright, so today, obviously, we're going through the Alola Forms, which are the new forms introduced in Pokemon Sun and Moon. And some of them are actually kind of interesting. They have, like, different typing. Some of them have, obviously, they all have different appearances, but they could be new types, new abilities, and all that kind of stuff. So, I want to go get started now. And first up, we have Alola Sandshrew. Sandshrew, I think, is going to be very interesting, because we're obviously used to the ground-type Sandshrew. And we're also used to the fact that it wasn't really the best Pokemon. However, come Sun and Moon, we find out it's a Alola form coming up as an Ice type, and its ability is Snow. I think it's like Snow Coat or something like that. I don't know, but I know its ability is supposed to be interesting, and so is for Sandslash. It's Snow Cloth. I just remembered it. And for both of these, I'm going to give the ranking a 7 for both Pokemon, and basically because we don't really know much yet. Same thing goes for Vulpix and Ninetales, which they are both becoming Ice types, have Snowcloak for the ability. So for them, both all of the designs look really cool, but for Vulpix and Ninetales, I'm going to update and give it an 8. I do like Sandshrew and Sandslash. I also like Vulpix and Ninetales. But I think that this is going to be a lot better for Vulpix and Ninetales since they were one of the early ones. So Sandshrew and Sandslash. So I'm going to give the Sandshrew and Sandslash a 7 already. And Vulpix and Ninetales an 8. Now Executor, I'm not sure. Because the only difference that this Pokemon has, as far as I'm aware of, is the fact that it has just a bigger version of a palm tree with another egg on the tail. I don't know how it's going to work, obviously, but I don't know the Z moves either, which is probably all these Pokemon have Z moves. But I don't know how I like Executor, so I am probably going to give Executor a 5 because I don't know about it. Like, something about it kind of bugs me with it. And now we're going to go over to Alola Meowth. Now this one's interesting because we have an Alola form for Meowth, but not Persian. As you know, Sandslash and Sandshrew, they're evolution form, so is Vulpix and Ninetales. But we don't get anything from Persian yet. But I do like Meowth's Alola form. It looks kind of cool. It kind of looks like the haunted cats, because, you know, black cats are considered haunted, which actually Halloween's coming up, so that's going to be interesting. So because I like how Meowth's design looks, I will give it an 8. I don't really know much afterwards, but next we go to actually a pretty awesome Alola Marowak, and just for everything that Marowak has went through, from the red, blue, yellow theories that Marowak was killed by Team Rocket. Basically, it's its way to get its revenge. Plus, I really like Marowak as a Pokemon. I always played it when I played Fire Red and Leaf Green. I've always used one on my team. So, and it's worked a lot. It's really good for me. So, to those who say that, oh, Marowak's not a good Pokemon, it's really good. It helped me a lot in Fire Red and Leaf Green. So for that, I'm going to give Marowak a 10 because its animation looks awesome. And I'm going to do the same thing for Raichu, because again, its animation looks just completely awesome. Now the last two Pokemon, I don't know, Rattata and Raticate. They both have pretty cool Alola forms, but the abilities aren't that good. It's like the same boring Rattata and Raticate we're used to seeing, except with different typing. But it still has basically the same terrible abilities, unless at least pickups not in Rattata or Raticate's possible abilities, but the other two are just bad as well. So I'm going to give it the lowest ranking of a 2. Actually, no, I'll be nicer and give it a 3. Basically because it's like really hard to understand. I would show it on screen, but I don't really have that much type of technology yet to show the Alola forms. And plus, there's like videos everywhere on YouTube, and also you can look online for the Alola Forms. So yeah, that's about it. I wonder. The one question I do have actually is, which actually I'm gonna put it down. Will Alola Forms have their own type of shiny forms? Because I'm real interested in that. If Alola Forms will have their own type of shiny Pokemon, like if it's gonna have its shiny appearance. Because in the primals, Primal Groudon and Kyogre, you can barely see it, but there is a little bit of shininess in them from Omega Ruby and Alpha Sapphire. But I wonder if that's going to happen in Sun and Moon, if they're going to show the shiny version of the Alolas. And I wonder how that's going to look like. So, anyway, thank you guys so much for watching, and please check out the channel and subscribe for some epic Pokemon content. And again, if you're looking for Yu-Gi-Oh content, the Dueling Professor is the second channel. Alright, see you guys next time.